Welcome to Trending Health. Did you know that many doctors swear by a handful of specific foods to maintain their health? In fact, you might already have some of these superfoods sitting in your kitchen right now. In today's video, we're revealing the 12 foods that doctors eat every day to stay healthy in 2024. No exotic or hard-to-find ingredients here, just simple, accessible foods that are scientifically proven to deliver powerful health benefits. And trust me, a few of them might just surprise you. So, are you ready to discover some foods that could change your health game? With so many food options available today, it's easy to feel overwhelmed when trying to figure out which ones truly contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Grocery store shelves are packed with products labeled healthy, organic, or superfood. But do they really live up to the hype? The truth is, not all of them do. And as we age, making the right food choices becomes even more crucial. Our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. But here's the great news: you don't have to guess anymore. By focusing on these 12 doctor-approved foods, you can confidently fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. These foods can help reduce inflammation, boost heart health, support brain function, and even give you a natural energy lift. Now, let's dive into the 12 foods that doctors often incorporate into their daily diets to stay on top of their health. These foods are nutrient-dense and versatile, making them easy to add to your meals. 1. Oats. Ever wonder why so many doctors kick off their mornings with a bowl of oats? It's because oats are a nutritional powerhouse. They're loaded with soluble fiber that not only helps lower bad cholesterol, but also keeps your heart in top shape, key factors as we get older. Plus, the fiber in oats helps stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you feeling full and energized all morning. Mix in some fresh berries or a handful of nuts for an extra burst of flavor and nutrients. 2. Berries. These vibrant, colorful fruits are a staple in many doctors' diets. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Regularly eating berries is linked to better brain health and a lower risk of heart disease. Whether you toss them into your breakfast cereal or enjoy them as a midday snack, berries are an easy and delicious way to support your overall health. 3. Fatty fish salmon, mackerel, sardines. These fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Doctors often recommend eating fatty fish at least twice a week because omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. They also support cognitive function, which becomes increasingly important as we age. If fish isn't your thing, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are nutritional all-stars. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. High in vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health and blood clotting, these greens also offer fiber and nutrients that promote digestive health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them with a little garlic for a delicious side dish. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Doctors appreciate these small but mighty snacks because they help keep blood sugar levels stable, support brain health, and promote heart health. Walnuts are especially rich in omega-3s, while chia and flax seeds are high in fiber and plant-based protein. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your oatmeal, or just enjoy a handful as a snack. 6. Olive oil. A cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is frequently recommended by doctors for its heart-healthy benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil helps reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and stroke. Use it as your primary cooking oil, drizzle it over salads, or dip whole grain bread into it. Just make sure to choose extra virgin olive oil for the highest nutrient content. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a favorite among health professionals because it's high in protein and probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is essential for overall wellness. Probiotics can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, important for maintaining strong bones as we age. Enjoy it with some berries and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious snack or breakfast. 8. Garlic. More than just a flavorful addition to meals, garlic is packed with compounds that help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support heart health. Some studies even suggest that garlic can boost your immune system and reduce the severity of colds and flu. Doctors often incorporate garlic into their meals for its wide-ranging health benefits and its ability to add depth of flavor to any dish. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation and help with conditions like arthritis. It may also support brain health by promoting the growth of new neurons and reducing the risk of brain diseases. Add turmeric to your cooking or enjoy it in a golden milk latte to incorporate this beneficial spice into your daily routine. 10. Avocados. Avocados are a rich source of healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Doctors love them because they're incredibly versatile and provide a substantial dose of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels while boosting the good kind. Avocados also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which supports digestive health. Spread some avocado on your toast, add it to salads, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-dense addition to your meals. 11. Beans and legumes. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas. Beans and legumes are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. Doctors often recommend them as a meat alternative because they're low in fat and high in protein, making them excellent for heart health. They also help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Incorporate them into soups, salads, or side dishes to add more plant-based nutrition to your diet. And now, get ready for the most surprising item on our list. 12. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate makes the list. Doctors agree that when eaten in moderation, dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, can be a heart-healthy treat. It's rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost brain function. Some studies suggest that dark chocolate may enhance mood and cognitive performance. So go ahead and enjoy a small piece of high-quality dark chocolate each day. It's a sweet way to support your health. So there you have it, the 12 foods that doctors rely on every day to maintain their health, with dark chocolate being the delicious surprise on the list. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. They not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also offer powerful health benefits like reducing inflammation, supporting heart and brain health, and boosting your energy levels. Healthy eating doesn't have to be dull or complicated. It can be enjoyable and satisfying. By focusing on these 12 doctor-approved foods, you're taking a proactive step toward better health. From hearty oats to indulgent dark chocolate, these foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support your heart, brain, and overall wellness. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. Now that you know the foods doctors swear by, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Comment below and let me know which of these foods you already enjoy or are excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and advice. Here's to a healthier you.